Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. At first, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister and Education Administration to give us a chance to keep the communication between the students and the teachers through the internet. Dear students, I hope all are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and everybody continue your studies, stay healthy and happy. Spend time at home and obey the rules of health with the people you love and appreciate every moment of it. Welcome to my English second paper class. I am Aisha Siddiqa, assistant teacher, Jaunpur Madinatul Ulum Senior Madrasa, Daudkhandi, Comilla. See the picture and read the text. How do the flowers look? The flowers look beautiful. What is the part of speech of the word in the circle? The circle word is sang. She sang a song. The flowers look beautiful. Circle word is look. So these are verb. Our today's topic is right forms of verbs. Our learning outcomes. After this lesson, we will be able to write the sentence using right forms of verbs. Fill in the gaps with right forms of verbs with clause. Look at the picture and the sentences. Mother loves her child. Ice melts in heat. Trees give us oxygen. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? These are present simple tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present simple? Do the sentence express universal truth? If the sentence is universal truth, it will be present simple tense. There is loves, melts, give. This word is verb. Give answer using right forms of verbs. The sun rises in the east. The sun every day rise in the east. So these are universal truth. So rise, bracket word rise, correct answer is rises. It gives us light. Every day it gives us light. It gives us light. It is the most important source of energy for life in Earth. The sun set in the west. Bracket word is set. Always sun sets in the west. So set, correct answer, sets at S. The sun sets in the west. Look at the picture and read the sentence. He reads the Holy Quran every day. They attend the multimedia class regularly. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? These are present simple tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present simple? If in this sentence there is every day, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, generally, the sentence will be present simple tense. Every day, regularly, reads, attends. So these sentences are present simple tense. Give answers using right forms of verbs. The boy go to school regularly. He does study attentively every day. He always speaks the truth. He and his parents often visit their relatives. The boy goes to school regularly. Regularly, every day is present simple tense. So thus word study is he studies attentively every day. He always speaks the truth. He and his parents often visits their relatives. Okay, now look at the picture and the sentence. Rana is playing cricket now. The whale is moving on the line at this moment. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Be verb plus main verb plus ing. Is playing. Second sentence is plus verb plus ing. So these are present continuous tense. Present continuous tense structure is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus extension. So this sentence are present continuous tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present continuous tense? If in the sentence there is now, at this moment, at this time, the sentence will be present continuous tense. Now is playing, is moving at this moment, so present continuous tense. We are watching car race now. The man dash ride will be is riding horse at this moment. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. I have recently visited Cox's Bazar. The train has just reached the station. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? This sentence are present perfect tense. Present perfect tense structure is subject plus have or has plus verb 3 or verb first participle form. Have, verb first participle form, has reached. Can you tell why the sentence are present perfect tense? If in the sentence there is recently, already, just, now, lately, the sentence will be present perfect tense. Give answer using right forms of verbs. They already leave the place. She just finished her homework. Topu lately get student visa or USA. Bracket word is leave, finish, get. That is incorrect. So correct answer is the leave already left the place. She just finished her homework. Topu has lately got student visa for USA. Understand? Look at the picture and the sentences. It has been raining since morning. They have been enjoying rain for 1 hour. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? This sentence are present perfect continuous tense. Have, subject plus have been, has been, or verb plus ing. The structure is present perfect continuous tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present perfect continuous tense? If in the sentence there is for, since, plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. Since plus time, for plus time, 1 hour. So these are present perfect continuous tense. The boy fly kites since morning. The boys have been flying kites since morning. The dog dig the soil for an hour. For plus time, so the dog has been digging the soil for an hour. Take your kata and write the sentence using right forms of verbs. She read a book. She is reading a book. They work in the garden for half an hour. They have been working in the garden for half an hour. Your homework. Take verb from the box and fill in the gaps. Use right forms of verbs. Box verb is leave, walk, sleep, take. Mr. Anwar Rahman in the open air every morning. He feels fresh. Today he dash already a mile. Now he dash rest sitting on a bench. A dog dash for 1 hour near the bench. I hope you are taking correct answer from right forms of verbs. So write down on your khata and fill up the gaps. Use right forms of verbs. Okay, no more today. Take care of your health. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.